Perfect example is I say to people, okay, you got a newsletter? Oh yeah, I have a newsletter. Okay, what do you say? Well, it's just these bullets here and there, and it goes out to everyone. And it's like, okay, but if you are giving this person if you're talking about a service that this person already had, they're probably not going to read that email. And the next time you get an email, they might say, oh, I know about this again.
Yeah.
What you do is you say, okay, don't you know, if you want to do a newsletter, fine, but in conjunction to that, you say, look, these people will get this type of uh, email. These people will get this type of. So if you have, say, three services, you know, people who have service one, maybe they're talking, and maybe you send an email talking about, hey, look, do you know what? Have you heard about service two and three? And all of a sudden they're like, no, I haven't. Whereas, same with two, you're going to talk about one and three. And then
Yeah.
all of a sudden, everyone is new, learning about the journey and saying, "Oh my God, I need to talk to Dennis about increasing this or doing that." And all of a sudden, that's what I like about that. You know, we talk about, you know, going in one window and out the other. It's like you have so many different levels of your business in past clients that a lot of people don't even touch their past clients and communicate. I'm like, what are you doing? That's a gold mine right there.
Hmm.
A gold mine.